guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today is a very exciting day because it's time for Box of Goth. Those of you that don't know, Box of Goth is a monthly subscription box. If I can get it open, it is gothic goodies and just all round awesomeness, to be fair. I've had, I think this is like my 5th or 6th one, maybe more than that, I'm not sure. But I think the theme of this one is the black box. So it's like, does it come in black? Everything should come in black. I think it costs around about £23 or £24 a month. They come like this in these awesome little handmade coffin boxes. The items within them, there's generally at least 1 or 2 items that are handmade. I got these awesome earrings 2 months ago. So this was from the Horror Queens box, and they're obviously the twins from The Shining. Last month with Horror Kings, and this, I'm pretty sure is the black box. Let's get it open. So exciting. Okay, so black is such a happy colour, darling, and it says, beautiful Lucy, happy holidays, thank you so much for your support, love, Nikki and Lucy. I do pay for this box. I just like to point that out, that I do pay for these boxes myself, because I love them. I think they're amazing. I always have so much fun unboxing them, and I always love all the stuff that's in them. So that is my little card. I'm going to stick that on my mirror. What's this? Aww, this one says, belated birthday gift. It's never too late to receive gifts. Thank you for your support and the dope cards. I sent them some Christmas cards. Some of my ones that I make. Oh my goodness, look at this necklace. Oh my goodness. I can't get in it, I can't get in it, I can't get in it. Oh my god, this is so freaking cool. Look at this. Look at that. How cool is that necklace? Oh my goodness. Now I'm not a gothic person. I do wear a lot of black. Black is my favourite colour, definitely. But I love skulls, and I love like creepy things, and like the doll. I've got a doll head on my Christmas tree. I just kind of love like quirky, creepy things, and that is why I love this box so much. So yeah, I've got a little badge here that says, does it come in black? Does it come in black? And it's within a little skull. My camera is just being a knob. But it does say it, I promise. Then, what is this? Oh, these are wax melts. Oh, I love, absolutely love wax melts. I've got I'm going to show you something. I have an issue. We're just going to take a break here quickly. I have an issue. Are you ready for this? This is just wax melts. That whole drawer is just wax melts. I'm obsessed with them. Obsessed. Yeah, so super happy. So these are black ones. Look, they're so cool. So this is Bubba's Melties, and this is Gothic style scented wax melts. Do not eat. Raising awareness for chronic illness, mental illness, and disability. Handmade in Northern Ireland. Hot when melted. And it's www.bubbasmelties.com, and the smell of these is winter spice. I'm going to crack this open and have a little sniff. Oh, they smell so good. Oh, they smell like something. I can't place it. Oh, they smell lovely. They're so cool. They're like little broken hearts. Look. That is like the coolest thing. Oh, I love them. I actually do want to eat them. They do smell amazing. I know why they're... It smells like juicy fruit. Juicy fruit chewing gum. That, to me, is what that smells of. That smells amazing. Okay, what have we got now? Ooh, I've got a spoolie. I've got a little black and yellow spoolie, like for your brows or your lashes. I love a spoolie. I like my eyelashes as black as my heart and as long as the list of people I want to punch in the face. The makeup bag. That is like, that's just me. It's like that was made for me. That's some awesome, awesome makeup bag. That is so cute. That is amazing. that you can't have a list. There's no list that is long enough for me to list all the people I want to punch in the face. I just don't like people very much. I thought I was going to burp, it didn't come out. Okay, what is this? And everything's like individually wrapped. I loved it. I've got a little sticker there that's going on my drawers next to my Jason one. What are you in here? What are you in here? Oh, it's a pin badge. I'll stop wearing black when they make a darker colour. Yeah. Yeah. Go on camera. You can do it. Cut his fucking head off. If you haven't seen the films, then that will make no sense to you, but I'm sure someone will know what I'm talking about. There's loads in here. What's this one? Oh, it's a little black cross, an upside down cross. I love it. Oh, look at that, it's got like black beads. It's like, oh no, it's like a metal chain. It's like a bike chain. I love that. That is awesome. Oh, so much jewellery. I need to actually get somewhere. I've had so much jewellery from Box of Goth. I need to actually have somewhere to hang them, because at the minute I'm just hanging them on my... I've got a reindeer over there, but he's got a pufferfish on him and he just gets in the way. Okay, what is this? Oh, earrings! Earrings. Can't get in them either. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. They're little tiny black hearts. Look, I don't know how I'm going to show you these because they're so tiny. How cute are they? Look. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love them. They're going in now. Going in my ear holes now. Get in my ear, get in my ear. I haven't worn an earring with a butterfly on it in like, I don't know, 10 years. Ooh, let's pinch my ear. How cute are they? Don't know why I had to shout there. Something like excitement. Ow! Ow! Oh, it just went through, but it didn't actually go through the hole. It just went like in a bit and then into my ear. It's no fun. Oh, I did it, I did it. They are so cute. I love them. Oh my goodness, there's so much in here. I like my coffee black, like my soul. Yeah. What are you? There's the Does It Come in Black sticker. I was gonna stick this on my door, but I think my door's... I'm going to be moving my office, so I want to stick it somewhere that's not going to, like, I'm going to stick this on my mirror. Sticking this on my mirror. I love stickers. I'm such a, like, 15-year-old. Okay, we've got black clothes, black heart. I think this is a temporary tattoo. That's really cute. And then we've got a black as my soul patch to go on a jacket. That's really cool. I need to actually get a denim jacket. I've got one somewhere, I think. This is like an iron-on patch or a nice bag or something, because they sent a patch. I had a patch last time as well that I need to put on. I think I'm going to get a bag and do it. And then the last little thing here. I only wear black on days that end in a Y. Yes. Also true. Oh. I think this might be my favourite one yet. I think this might be my favourite Box of Goth that I've had. The Horror Queens, well, they're all amazing to be fair, but I think this one might be my favourite just because I do love to wear black. Black is like my spirit colour, my spirit animal, if you will. That's amazing. That is so cool, that necklace. I love that. Yeah, you guys smashed it again. You smashed the balls off it, as you always do, so thank you for being amazing. I will leave links to Box of Goth's website and their Instagram. I think it's a really nice present for someone. If you want to get someone a nice present that's a bit quirky, then this is what you need to get them, and you get really cool boxes to keep afterwards. I've got so many of these now. They're like all up there on my shelves, and then I've got, oh, I can't see them because my calendar is in the way. Behind here is a little row of these. But yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.